Do you love your mom? Of course you do. It's not long till Mother's Day, so get her a special gift this year. Imagine her smile when you give her this beautiful necklace in its presentation box. There'll be a tear in her eye when she reads the lovely message you've chosen. And we'll personalize it with your name at no extra cost. Just like moms everywhere, your mom will open the gift box and gasp with surprise and delight. Available with a genuine silver-plated or gold-plated finish, these interlocked hearts symbolize the love between mother and child. Not available in stores, and as a Mother's Day special offer, they're less than half price. Buy this exquisite necklace for your mom for just $37.95. So click now to visit our store and choose the right message for your mom. Your satisfaction is guaranteed.